Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Just yesterday, I made a video of this and I must spark some interest in some people. I've had two different people comment on it and say, so anyway, they picked the butterfly and they thought these lines are going to be really thin and it's going to break. So I took it from that. Let's just kind of fill them in with the Smart Fill tool so you can kind of tell. I took it from that to that, where it's got a lot of thicker lines. I'd actually try that on my laser, depending on how big this thing is. I mean, right now it's only 2 inches. You're going to have to make it quite a bit bigger. And this looks not as pretty, but I think when they're cut out, it will. So they asked, how can I make all those slots without manipulating each and every one of them one at a time? So this is their bitmap they sent me. It's still pretty small, so I'm going to go to Trace Bitmap, Outline Trace Clip Art. And I'm going to remove color from entire image. Now here's the kind of the key. On this particular one, none of the empty spots are touching. So I'm going to left click. I'm going to left click, right click, and I'm going to go up to Effects, or excuse me, go to Object, Group, and Break Curve Apart. Sometimes will be the key. Now we got our nudge factor set on 5. I'm going to take the outside and move it out of the way so that I don't have to even worry about anything. I don't have to disconnect anything. Now we're going to take all these inside pieces, and the only way this will work with her at one time, if you'll select them all, go up to Object, Group, and group it, then you can go up to Effects and Contour, and you'll just have to play around. And I picked 0.02 to the inside with rounded corners and hit OK. And look at that. It made a lot smaller spots, so it's going to make the lines thicker. Then just go to Object and break the contour apart. If you'll grab the inside and move it over, nudge it, that way it's right back where it was. So that's going to cut out, but it's not so much the hole it's going to cut out that we're trying to make bigger. It's the space between the holes. See, that's still only 7/100ths of an inch, but I think it'll work good because when we make this into one of these items, you're going to most definitely probably have to enlarge it anyway to get a big enough body to put that line through it. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.